Hi, I'm Simon Robinson and I'm the Chief Engineer for Special Commercial Vehicles at Ford Motor Company. One of the biggest dangers for roadside workers is being seen by oncoming vehicles in bad or dark weather. Because of this, we've developed a unique solution using electroluminescent panels. So just 1 millimetre thick, these panels can be fitted to the back doors of any Transit. With a single harness running through to the cab, these can be operated by a simple flick of a switch. Traditional reflective chevrons rely on an input light from the oncoming headlamps. They can only be seen from directly behind, whereas the electroluminescent panels, generating their own light, can be seen from any angle approaching the rear of the vehicle. For more information about these and our other innovative solutions, please contact the address below.